Hi, I'm Zaf Naqvi, consultant orthopaedic, hand and wrist surgeon at the Alexandra Hospital here in Manchester. Thumb arthritis is incredibly common. It causes pain, stiffness and weakness, making everyday tasks like opening jars or squeezing toothpaste frustrating and painful. For years, if non-surgical treatments like physiotherapy or painkillers didn't help, the only option was to remove a small wrist bone called the trapezium. Recovery could take up to a year and the results were variable. Now that's changed. I offer a base of thumb joint replacement, a revolutionary procedure that's transforming the way we treat thumb arthritis. It uses a tiny artificial implant, like a mini hip replacement for the thumb, to restore smooth and pain-free movement. The procedure takes around an hour. Patients go home the same day, typically returning to driving within 2 weeks, and would wear a splint for 6. I've been performing this surgery for several years and have carried out nearly 100 of these procedures with outstanding results and consistently faster recoveries. In my experience, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a real shift in how we help patients with thumb arthritis. People are getting back to daily life faster with more confidence and far less pain. If you're dealing with thumb arthritis or any hand problem, you can book a consultation with me online or by contacting the Alexandra Hospital directly.